Here are the translations for Wheelock chapter 31. Iam vero cognovimus, ista mentes duras ferum pro pace ofera. I couldn't remember if this I was long. It's not, it's short, so it's cognovimus. So, let's take the verb, and the verb is cognovimus. That's perfect, active, indicative, first plural. We knew. We knew. Is there, well, we wouldn't expect there to be a nominative. It's just we. It's there in the verb. Is there, what did we know? What did we know? We knew ista mentes duras. There's our accusative. So, iam vero, but now, is what that is, or already. But we already, vero means but, and iam means now or already. But we already knew these, or those harsh minds. Istas, those, duras, harsh, mentes, minds. Oh, and look what I have. So these are all accusative. And then I have an infinitive. Aha. So this is indirect discourse, isn't it? Coming after a verb of thinking. But we already know that those harsh minds offer, or in this, it should be offered, shouldn't it? Because it's our main verb is past tense, and this infinitive is present. That means it's present with the main verb. So my main verb is past, so this idea is past. But we already knew that those harsh minds offered iron instead of peace. So a sword instead of peace. But we already knew that those harsh minds offered iron instead of peace. All right, number 3. Cum hidecum viri digni, ex moenibus simul discessissent, alia cassio pacis numquam oblata est. So here's, we've got cum, and then what is it followed by? Where's the main verb? Discessissent. That is surely a subjunctive, isn't it? Because I've got this infinitive form plus personal endings. So it's the perfect infinitive plus personal endings. So that's the pluperfect subjunctive. And it's active voice. And it's third plural. So they had left, or they had departed. Is there a nominative to serve as the subject? Sure is. He decem viri digni. Weary men. He decem, these 10 men. Digni, these 10 worthy men. These 10 worthy men. And now, what am I going to do with cum? Well, we said it can mean when, although, since. So let's just put all those in here, and we'll see which one makes sense. When these 10 worthy men discessissent had departed ex moenibus, outside the city walls, had departed from the city walls, simul, together, at the same time. So when these 10 worthy men had together departed, let's do it that way, from the city walls. Now I've got a new clause. Where's my verb here? It's oblata est. That's perfect, indicative, active, passive, clearly, passive, third singular. So it's there was given. It was given, it was offered. And now alia occasio, that's my nominative. Alia occasio, another occasion, another opportunity. Another opportunity. Pacis, genitives, I translate it, of peace. numquam, never. So, when these 10 worthy men had together departed from the city walls, there was never another occasion for peace. I always spell occasion wrong. So what are we going to say? Since these 10 worthy men had together departed from the city walls, there was never another occasion for peace? Yeah, maybe. Although they had so you can see how that cum clause can be, rather different, rather confusing to figure out which one it could be. It could be any, when, although, or since. So there are our translations that may make an appearance on the quiz this week.